In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your vendor list in QuickBooks Online by making a vendor inactive or deleting them. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. To do this, open Chrome and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your QuickBooks dashboard where you'll have access to all the features you need for managing your finances. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access your list of vendors. Over on the left sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Expenses. Clicking on this will bring up a few different options related to spending. At the top of this section, there's a Vendors tab. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be directed to the vendors list. This page displays all the vendors you have recorded in your QuickBooks account. The third step involves locating the specific vendor you're interested in making inactive or potentially deleting. You have two options. If you know the name of the vendor, you can quickly use the search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in the vendor's name and it should show up almost instantly. Alternatively, if you're not certain of the exact name or just wish to browse, you can scroll through the list until you find the right vendor. Once you've found the vendor you're looking to manage, you need to open their details. Click on the vendor's name and you will be taken to a page with more specific information about them. Here you'll notice an edit button located at the top right of the page represented by a small pencil icon. Clicking on this will allow you to make changes to the vendor's information. Towards the bottom of this editing window, there's an option to make inactive. Selecting this option will prompt a confirmation message. Confirm by clicking yes, and the vendor will now be marked as inactive. It's important to note that making a vendor inactive doesn't remove their data from QuickBooks entirely. Instead, it hides them from your active vendor list while retaining their transaction history for all your past records. Should you wish to delete a vendor altogether, there's one final step to consider. QuickBooks Online has a restriction where you cannot delete a vendor if there are past transactions linked to them. However, if the vendor has no transactions associated with them, you can proceed with deletion. Back on the vendor details page, click on the drop-down arrow next to the edit button and choose delete. This will also ask for confirmation, so just click yes to finalize the deletion, and that's it. Following these steps, you can easily manage your vendors in QuickBooks Online.